Welcome to my store.
Should have turned around and told the boys don't curse.
Well, the cursing was okay. It was the other graphic descriptions that were not.
Which ones were them?
Hey, listen.
I'm not going to repeat them. I'm going to have to bleep those ones out.
That's the biggest understatement ever in the world, because you want to know why? YouTube is full of freaking graphics. Graphics you don't
Yeah,
even
but we're trying to maintain a family audience here. We're trying.
You know what you can do? You can bleep it. Bleep.
Sorry, your crew let you down.
Well, my boy, he's my editor. Hopefully he knows how to do it.
Oh, it's easy.
Well, geez, you'll have to mute the whole volume of it.
Yeah, but half the talk was fun.
There you go.
Like, watch my videos, you'll see me and my boy go at it. He's 16, he's a teenager.
Hey, we need a store, I need cigars.
So where's this going to now?
This is going to Bering Avenue, just south of Bloor, off Islington, the first set of lights.
What, to your thing?
No, to just real close to my store, but it's by Plastics guy.
This guy's going for a can with his nose on it. That's why he's got the camera.
Hey!
You know, criminals work at moving companies, right?
I've heard that.
Retired criminals.
Retired criminals, yes.
We're still criminals.
Ones that earned their stripes.
Right. You know, if we were still criminals, we wouldn't work in a moving company.
You'd own it.
Hey, what?
You'd own it.
We're on the way. That thing's on there. I'm taking a nice break.
Let's go, I want cigars, you get it.
Shouldn't have quit smoking.
I know. He quit smoking and smoked something that's worse.
Yeah, and he smokes just as many.
And he's
He
going.
smoked 20 like big old cigars today now. That is just rotten.
Horrible.
Yeah, how fast did the freaking rain? I think you want to see
Okay, now we're back at the warehouse where they're going to fix it. So now we got to open the back of the truck and hope for the best. Okay, I'm hoping that when we open that back, it's still on top of the dolly.
Oh yeah.
That was
Okay, it's still upright. Cool. Okay, so we got the forklift we're going to use to unload this. We put the long forks on it.
Hey, somebody put the thing up more. Put the door up more.
Move those bags, please.
No.
Go right in the fucking skid, man. We're going in the skid, right?
Yeah, no, bring the skid over.
Yeah?
Raise it up.
Yeah, but the skid has to be turned sideways, though.
No, just leave it like that.
No,
That's
it's
fine.
like this, man.
Leave it like that.
But we're gonna have to shrink your forks, right?
Oh,
Yeah, we have to push your forks in, bud.
Yeah, it's all together.
you know what? Raise it up and put it to the skid. Yeah, that's I have you push it.
Hey, Louie. You okay over there to hold it? Well, he's like his face.
You can't lift it up too high.
You're gonna ask this, man. That was work, right?
That was a lot of work.
That's good, that's good. Get out. You're gonna have to go down, buddy. Doing a good job.
Yeah.
I don't want to fucking be emotional. Lots of phone calls here.
Yeah, got so many phone calls to get, bud.
All right, you're good.
Easy.
You're good.
Keep going.
Okay, hang on now.
Yeah,
More.
push it
forward. Okay,
Push
push
it
it
forward.
Easy. Look, you're getting off. You're getting off.
Center, man.
It's not getting off.
Gotta go this
But
way.
you, Louis, come on, man.
Rob.
Gotta go your way, Rob.
No, we're on that bump. We're on that bump.
Yeah, towards your way. Yeah, just a little to me. Lift your fork up a little bit. Yeah, that's good. Okay,
Yeah, that's good.
Look, you cannot raise it too much.
Okay. Go ahead.
Yeah, just close the door more.
No, it's up all the way.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. It's up all the way.
All he has to do is close this door.
Okay, good, good. Yeah, hold it up some.
Hold on now.